Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install VLC Media Player on a Linux Mint machine. Now there's two ways we can do the installation. We can install via the terminal or we can use the GUI. So let's look at the first method here. We'll use the terminal. So I have the terminal open. The first command I run is to check the version we're running. So I'm running ETOS release here, and we're running version 22.2. Okay, before running the command to install VLC, we'll update our packages. We'll do sudo apt update, put in our password. Okay, and then we'll run the command to install VLC. The command is sudo apt install VLC. Let me do -y here for yes. Okay, it's done. We don't have any errors here. We can check the version. We can check if we have VLC. We can actually do which VLC, and we can do VLC -version to check the version. So that's the version. Okay, now to launch VLC, we can launch it from the terminal. You can type VLC, and there you are. That's the media player. Now with it, we can watch videos, we can play music. We can also go to the menu here and search for VLC and launch it from here as well. Okay, now let's go ahead and look at the second method for installing the VLC Media Player. Now this one will use the software manager. So go to the menu and search for software manager. And then here we'll search for VLC. Okay, there's the multimedia player. Okay, this is what you want. So select it or click on it and then click install. So in our case, since it's already installed, it's giving us the option to launch it. If you don't have it installed, you'll get the option to install it. So you click on install. You'll be prompted for your password. Type in your password, and then the installation should proceed. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Those are the two ways you can install VLC on your Linux Mint machine. It's pretty straightforward to get it installed. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.